Let's learn how to make this beautiful Victorian hair clip with different types of flower. Before we start, our channel is all about learning fashion design. We make videos related to drafting, sewing, embroidery, illustration, design concept and lot more. If you wish to learn from these topics, do subscribe our channel. Hey everyone, let's have a look at the materials needed. Starting first with the alligator claw. It could be of any style. Here I'm using around 3-inch claw. It could be a small size also. An organza material, size is 2 by 11 inch. Then satin ribbon. The bigger the flower, more the satin ribbon. Here I am using 2 by 14 inch. For the organza and satin ribbon, burn the edges so the threads don't fray. For messy rows, the satin fabric is cut widthwise. Pull the threads from both the sides and the size is 1.5 by 16 inch. Next, net fabric size 4 by 5 inch and around 2 to 3 layers of it. Glue gun, felt fabric, thread and needle. Let's start with tracing the claw on the felt. Cut it leaving some space. Hot glue the felt on the claw. Cut out the extra felt. Let's start with our first flower. Fold the organza and do a running stitch at its open side. They don't need to be at a perfect distance. Now pull the thread, gathers will be formed. Carefully roll the fabric, keeping the stitch side on the stitch side. Let's stitch it so that it stays in place. I'm going to apply some glue. Now turn the edges outwards. We are done with this. Let's start with the satin ribbon. Hot glue one corner and fold it. And roll it. Glue it in place. Rose is very simple. Just fold the ribbon, twist it slightly, push it inwards and glue it. Again the same step. A little twist, push it and glue. Follow the same steps. A little twist, push, stick. For the end, take the rest of the ribbon at the back and glue it. Turn the ribbon outward to give the final shape. This next, my favorite, messy rows. Pull out all the yarns from both the sides. Fold it and make a knot at one end. The method of making is exactly the same as the satin ribbon rows. The only difference is that you have to bring all the threads on the right side. The same, slide twist, push inwards and glue. By holding the flower upside down, it will help the yarns to come at right side. That's how it looks from the right side. Follow the same, twist, push and stick. For the end, bring the rest of the fabric at the base. Trim the threads. That's it. Next, take the net fabric and make fan pleats. Fold it from the center and tie it with the thread. To add further strength, I am adding hot glue. After tying, open up each layer. Trim the ends so we have a nice edge. Let's start adding all the elements to the clip. Place the net at the join of clip. Before gluing, just check the clip is operating properly. The next, my favorite, messy rows. Then glue the satin ribbon. And the last, organza flower. And that's it. So pretty. Thank you everyone for watching. Any doubts or anything you wish to learn, let us know through email, comments or message. Details are provided in the description box. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up, share among your friends and do subscribe our channel. Bye.